What's up guys, Ginger Reviewer here back again, back at the Radisson Blu, back doing another video. Today we're going to be doing my review of a premium room here at Radisson Blu Manchester Airport. So let's go and check it out. We did already check out the executive lounge and the executive rooms here, so I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go and check that out. We'll go and see how that compares with a premium room. I know the executive rooms are up on floor 9, premium rooms floor below on floor 8. Let's go and check it out and see what's going on. This is the entrance from the walkway down to Terminal 2, just down there. And we'll head in. It's our lobby area. Check in here. Lift further ahead. Bar's over there. You've got your breakfast booked in. That's also over there by the restaurant. Okay. Let's go check out the room. Bar's just over here. And you have your breakfast in there.
Lift going up.
These are all your standard rooms, lobby on. Floor 3, we're up to floor 8. Premium rooms, executive rooms, floor 9.
Level 8, premium rooms.
Room 861, premium class, card key operated. Check it out. And there's our room. We'll head in first. Very spacious room. Good sized bed. We'll see how comfortable it is. I'll let you know in the morning. Good sized room. We've got a desk with telephone, plug sockets, got a chair, plug sockets behind the bed. Another good look at the size of that bed. Good size room. Got a television, full length mirror. Good stuff. Air conditioning too. Can just be operated. Over on the wall over there. Look at the air conditioning there. Can tinker with. Over behind the door. Can be dead bolted. Locked. With a little peephole area here. Behind the door for your luggage. Closet area with robes, more towels, slippers, hangers, ironing board, got a safe, Bible, extra storage area, some shoe shine over here. It's a sewing kit and shoe shine. It's interesting. You also have an iron up there. Over here, we've drank 1 bottle of water. You get given 2 complimentary waters, a kettle, a coffee machine, and imagine, yeah, it's the same as the executive room. So you've got a selection of tea and coffee. We've got some milks, espressos, cups, spoons, little espresso cups. I believe there's a little powder of hot chocolate there. Got some glasses under there too. And also in here, we also have the fridge, which I've put that fruit shoots in. It's an empty fridge. Good stuff. Right, we'll check the bathroom out. And we'll have a good look at the bathroom. As we step in, a large mirror with me in. We've got our hand and body lotion, hand wash, large sink, couple of cups, towels there, You also have some more towels in there if you run out. Charging ports for your shavers, there's your lights, a shower mat just down here, spare loo roll, and a hairdryer. Let's have a look at the hairdryer. There we go, it's a Marin hairdryer. I don't know anything about hairdryers, I don't have much hair to know if they're any good, but there you go, hairdryer. Got a good size loo. You also have a shower cap and vanity kit. And here is the shower, including Radisson Blu, giving you body wash, shampoo and conditioner. You do have a handheld shower that comes off, and also a rain shower. I think all in all, the room's very similar looking to the executive rooms. I'd say the one big difference, obviously, with this room being on the 8th floor and the executive rooms being on the 9th floor, is with the executive rooms you get access to the executive lounge. Gives you a fantastic view of the runway. You get complimentary drinks and food in there as well, and a good area to chill out. Obviously, with this being a premium room, you get the same room but not access to the lounge, and I think that's what the big difference here is between the two areas of executive rooms and premium rooms. Both got good sized rooms. Executive rooms, they've got the lounge. Premium rooms, they do not. So, last thing to do in terms of the room, let's go and have a look at the view. It's a very wet and windy day. I don't know if the camera's picking up them flags, but you might be able to hear the wind. Very blustery, typical Manchester day. Got a nice view of the walkway over to Terminal 2. That's where we're going to be flying from tomorrow morning. So we're staying here the night before our flight. Got a view of the Ibis Budget Hotel. The Holiday Inn is just over there. I believe the Tribe Hotel's somewhere nearby too. We've got a great view of the Voyager building and car park, the busy roads around Manchester Airport, a nice view in to where you find the train station at Manchester Airport, and unfortunately we can just about make a plane up in the clouds. A runway view again. I don't know if you have to request a runway view if it's random, but we've got what I'd describe as a city view, but it's a bit gloomy, so we can't really see much, and the Voyager building that we've got a cracking view of blocks the view of Manchester city centre. So yeah, I'd say it's pretty much a bog standard view. I like to try and be fair and honest, and I'd probably describe it as, if you look at it, it's not very premium. Yeah, I don't really have much else to add on. Nothing's really changed here since I was last here at the end of June. You want to see the walking tour, I show you around the hotel and what to expect, go and check out my executive room review and tour that I did here at the Radisson Blu at Manchester Airport. I'll leave the link in the description for you to go and check out. I said in that video that I was going to be intrigued about how an executive room compares with another room here at Radisson Blu. We're looking here at the next tier down with a premium room, a lovely room. View not amazing unless you get a view of the runway, and also you've not got access to that executive lounge. So end of the day, for me, it's a bog standard hotel at Manchester Airport, convenient enough for doing a good one night stay either before you're flying out from Manchester Airport, or if you're arriving late and you want to get your head down and get some rest ahead of maybe a busy day the next day, then it serves a purpose for that, and that for me is the function and point of an airport hotel. So I'll see you in the morning. I'll let you know how the bed and comfort is, and then I'll see if I give it my ginger seal of approval or not. I've also just noticed that on the tray where you find the coffee stuff, give you a bottle opener as well. And they said you got a fridge that's empty, so you can bring your own drinks and stuff. You'll have any bottled beverages, beer for example. Then got a bottle opener, got you covered. Radisson Blu, thinking ahead. You do also get 2 free packets of biscuits, which they're nice.
The next day.
And that is our stay at Radisson Blu Premium Rooms complete. The bed has a firm mattress. It's allowed me to have, for me, a pretty good night's sleep. Air conditioning in here is fantastic. It can be a bit hit and miss in the UK when it comes to air conditioning. Most places tend to have heaters on, so our room was heated up to around 22 to 23 degrees in Celsius. Whacked the aircon on, whacked the fan on, got the temperature down between 16 and 18 degrees in Celsius. With a fan rolling, might be able to pick up on the air conditioning. It's now nice and cool, which I like. The shower is a little slippy, so make good use of that shower mat, just to warn you guys. I think overall though, a good night's stay here at the Radisson Blu Premium Rooms. I do think, and I would recommend, the executive rooms. If you're going for an upgrade on your room, I'd go with the executive rooms over the premium room, because I think you get better value for money, including the access to the lounge. But I wouldn't begrudge people wanting to get a little upgrade and going for the premium rooms, just for the extra space and being on a higher floor with a potential better view, including of the runway. So if you want a runway view, request a runway view, and if you do get a runway view nice and high up, go watch the planes as well. So I think the Radisson Blu once more doesn't disappoint, and once again gets the ginger seal of approval. If you do have any more questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you guys. So I wanted to thank you guys for watching. It is much appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more travel videos, review videos for you guys to enjoy, so do stick around and do subscribe. Also, don't forget social media links are in the description. If you want to go and check them out, that would be great. Email also in the description too, if you want to hit me up for any sponsorships for any videos or any general business inquiries. Also, don't forget as well to leave a thumbs up on the video, and I'll see you all again real soon for the next one. So I've been Jason, the Ginger Reviewer. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. And there's our nighttime view, ready for our early flight.